Welcome to the Java Complete course. In this video, we are going to walk through how to install the Java JDK step by step. Think of the Java Development Kit, or JDK, as the engine that powers your code. You need it to write, build, and run any Java program. Inside this kit is the Java compiler. When you write code that makes sense to a human, the compiler is the specific tool that translates it into instructions your computer can actually execute. By the end of this lesson, your computer will be fully equipped and ready to run Java code. Step 1 is checking if your computer already has Java installed. There is no need to download new files if your system is already set up. To check this, you need to open your computer's command line interface. If you are on Windows, open the command prompt. If you are on a Mac or using Linux, open your terminal. Once open, type java --version and hit enter. If your terminal returns a specific version number, it confirms Java is already present. However, if you see a command not recognized error, it means Java is missing from your system entirely. If you got that error message, you are in the perfect starting place. We are going to solve that exact problem right now. Step 2 is getting the files. Open your web browser and navigate directly to the official Java download website provided in the course materials. On this page, you will see a section with 3 distinct tabs labeled Windows, macOS, and Linux. Click the tab matching your operating system. Below the tabs, focus your attention on the standard installer options and ignore the zip archives. Click the link for that standard installer to begin downloading the file to your local computer. Selecting the exact match for your operating system ensures the installation runs smoothly and prevents system conflicts later on. Step 3 is the installation itself. Locate the file you just downloaded and open it to launch the installation wizard. The wizard starts with a simple welcome screen. Just click Next to advance. The next screen will ask you to choose an installation location for the software. Keep this set to the default file path. Changing this location can cause pathing errors when your system tries to locate the tools later. Click Next one more time and wait patiently for the loading progress bar to complete the process. Once that finishes, the JDK core engine is physically written to your hard drive. You are almost ready to start coding. Step 4 is verification, and this starts with one highly critical detail. If you left your old command prompt or terminal window open from earlier, close it right now. You need to open a brand new, fresh command prompt or terminal window. This ensures it loads your newly updated system settings. With your fresh window open, type java --version and press enter. You should see the new version number displayed. Next, verify the compiler by typing java --version and hitting enter. A matching version number will output directly below it. If you installed the software but still receive a command not recognized error here, your computer simply does not know where to look for the tools. This is a path environment variable issue. Your system uses the path as a map to find installed programs, and you may need to manually point it to your new Java folder. For most installations, the wizard handles that automatically. Once both version commands return valid numbers, it confirms your operating system recognizes the JDK perfectly. Congratulations! Your computer is now equipped with the full Java Development Kit. You checked your system status, downloaded the exact file for your operating system, ran the installation, and verified that the tools are communicating with your computer. The engine is installed and running, but to write your code efficiently, you are going to need a proper dashboard. Click the link on screen to move to the next lesson, where we will cover how to install an IDE, an integrated development environment. You have successfully laid the essential, non-negotiable foundation required to master Java programming from beginner to advanced. I will see you in the next video.